What's happening? So if you haven't guessed, I'm out on the water. I'm on the water. So the boat is on the water. It's been on the water for a few weeks now. A lot of stuff we had to do to get it water ready. But we got it water ready. Oh, we had to put a what did we do? Had to fix the water. Had to fix the water tank. Now we got the water running. So I got water in here. Toilet working. Cut you on. So we got water. We got water, you dig? Bathroom got water. I done put LED lights and everything. Toilet work. Put a new stereo. Let's see what else I do. Put these cool LED lights in here. As you can see. Yeah. The refrigerator was blowing. It wasn't blowing cold at all. So I had to take it out. Bought a fitting to put some Freon in there. Now that's blowing cold. Yeah, so everything works now. Only thing we need to get working is the hot water heater. We need to replace it because it's all corroded and rusted, and yeah, it's no good. And it actually was leaking when I cut the pump on, water pump, so I had to reroute some stuff so no water would go through it. But everything cool. Just put a pole holder in here, so we got this grill set up, you know. But yeah, that's our view right there. That's our view. I'll show y'all how I look in the water. Show y'all how it looks in the water. Boom. We in the water. Yeah. So yeah, we did the seats. Oh, let me show you how the seats came out. Did the seats. Remember, it's temporary, but not bad. I did all right. Not bad at all. Just to hold us over until the winter time and get it done the right way. Next up, what I'm gonna do next is I'm getting a countertop ice maker, so I need to make a shelf. I mean, it could sit here, but that's the stove there. We don't have a lot of room. So I'm gonna put this here, this wood here, and I'm gonna have it where it folds down, and then I could put a ice maker there. You dig? So that's next up. And then this table here, this is one of the tables. This is one of the tables, but the surface was cracked, so we just took it all off, but it actually matches this here, so we need to, I forgot the name of this material, but we cover that whole thing, or I might just burn it and then put like a epoxy over it so it looks nice. But this table actually goes in here, and I think this one goes out there, but we've been using this one to grill. We got this other little grill right there. Let me take this grill out so y'all can see it. So we got this grill here, and we will put that on that table. Put it out there. And some little hot links or something, a little chicken, you dig? So yeah, it's coming together. You know, we got our snacks and stuff. Everything works. Let me see, microwave works. Got the microwave on. Microwave works. Yep. there. The TV works. Yeah, so it's coming together, man. We chilling. So this is what we're gonna be, you know, probably every weekend, every other weekend until summertime's over. So you dig? Holla at your boy, you feel me? All right, shelf is installed. Check me out. Look, boom. And that's what an ice maker gonna go right there. Yep. So a nice little extension there. And on that note, I ain't gonna say on that note. I'm gonna take it across the way. It's a lot of like algae buildup on the prop and barnacles and stuff. We take it out every now and again, but you can't see it, but it's there. So I'm gonna take it across the way, past the bridge, rev it up, get that prop spinning real fast and stuff. And then I'm gonna bring it back and I'm gonna call it a day. You dig? So see you on the second. Alright, so we out. We rolling. Just cruising, testing some stuff out here. Oh, they got one similar to this one. Yeah, last time we went through here, but when we went the other way toward Pittsburgh, it looked like you could just come right through this little area here. Yep, so we rolling, y'all. Some folks right here.
I can come up and get way out of the water. You know,
Oh, that's the same kind of boat. It's a little older.
That's a look total different type of.
Oh, that's a, does it say Glastron on it?
Yeah.
Any
I went the other way, went all the way out there for